Are you looking for the best drones for photography in? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for photography in on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SDJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone is considered to have a full set of pro photography functions in a very lightweight package. The drone is extremely portable and through foldable feature it can even fit your pockets. The MasterShot feature introduced by DJI into this portable variant makes it easier for photographer to do a quick and dirty editing after pre-programmed flights. In Mini 3 can also rotate your camera to 90 degrees in order to take vertical shots. Mini 3 can shoot slow motion videos with up to 1080p resolution at 120 fps. Specifications: camera resolution 48 megapixels, video resolution 4K/60 fps. Weight 249 g, flight time 34 minutes, flight range 12 km. Number 2. AUTEL Evo Nano Plus. AUTEL Evo Nano and is a feature-packed lightweight drone. It features obstacle avoidance and automated flight patterns to capture dynamic and dramatic video clips. The portable drone is available in four vibrant colors: classic orange, deep space gray, blazing red, and arctic white. Its portable design and foldable feature makes it handy and suitable for transportation and individuals who like traveling. You can shoot in RAW and JPEG. Video can be captured in standard and D-Log profiles. Specifications: camera resolution 48 megapixels, video resolution 4K/60 fps. Weight 249 g, flight time 28 minutes, flight range 10 km. Number 3. DJI MAVIC 3/MAVIC 3 CINE. MAVIC 3 CINE is considered to be the best combination for portability and image quality. The main 4/3 camera offers great image quality and adjustable f/2.8 to f/11 aperture capable of capturing in JPEG and RAW. The second camera comes with a fixed f/24 aperture and 28x hybrid zoom. Still shots can be taken in both RAW and JPEG. Video from main camera is available at 5.1K up to 50 fps and 4K up to 120 fps. You can shoot in Flag D profiles for color grading when filming videos. Specifications: camera resolution 20MP with 12MP zoom. Video resolution 1K/50 fps and 4K/120 fps. Weight 249 g, flight time 46 minutes, flight range 5 km. Number 4. AUTEL Evo 2. AUTEL is built with heavy and a rugged-looking case that steals the sleek look from the drone. The design of the device has nothing to do with consumer handiness. It is solely based off practically, which is clearly demonstrated by device's flight time. The big plus, other than its huge 8K feature, is the omnidirectional collision sensor that it uses in a normal flight. It is worth noticing that 8K is limited 25 fps, 6K to 50 fps and 4K to 60 fps in this drone. The other talk of the town about this drone is that it has 8 GB internal storage, which is a lot more than some good camera drone in the market. Specifications: camera resolution 48MP, video resolution 8K/25 fps. Weight 1174 g, flight time 40 minutes, flight range 9 km. Number 5. DJI MAVIC AIR 2. This drone is considered to DJI's stunning invention so far. It has front, downward and rear-facing sensors that can identify obstacles during the course of its 34 minutes flight. The real deal about this drone is the 48 megapixels camera with half-inch sensor and 4K at 60 fps video quality. This drone has completely redesigned controller with smartphone slot on the face so you can see the footage at the same time you are controlling the device. This drone also has an intelligent feature of automatic exposure bracketing, AEB, which gives a sigh of relief for the photographers as they do not have to adjust exposure according to different scenes again and again. Specifications: camera resolution 48MP, video resolution 4K/60 fps. Weight 570 g, flight time 34 minutes, flight range 18 km. Number 6. DJI AIR 2S. DJI AIR 2S packs a punch against various photography-grade drones in the market. With its 1-inch sensor and 20MP camera, it can produce some crisp stills against drones with higher resolution sensors. The camera on this portable device supports 5K video quality. The device is termed more compatible when compared to some advanced level rivals MAVIC 2 and 3. The active track and avoidance sensors in the drone give it a more nuanced control over its own trajectory. Specifications: camera resolution, 20MP video resolution, 4K/30 fps and 4K/40 fps weight, 595G flight time, 31 minutes flight range 5 km. Number 7. DJI Mavic 2/Mavic Zoom. DJI Mavic 2/Mavic Zoom is a feature-packed portable variant via DJI vast drone range. The 20 megapixels 1-inch sensor camera can produce high-quality still shots. The manual control over the camera of this drone allow up to 128,000 ISO selection, and video output can be real-time 10-bit. There is f/2.8, f/11 aperture on this drone. The photo geeks are all in for features like so. Specifications: camera resolution, 20MP with 12MP zoom, video resolution, 4K/30 fps weight, 905G flight time, 31 minutes flight range, 8 km. Number 8. Parrot Anafi FPV. Parrot Anafi FPV is a portable and travel-friendly drone with its foldable feature. The most highlighted features about the drone are the automatic takeoff, landing and return to home feature backed by GPS. It also has extremely powerful foldable controller with a stable phone grip that is also easier to operate when compared with some of the controllers in DJI models. The obstacle avoiding sensors on the device are not very competitive. It is left on the hands of pilot to avoid obstacles during flight of this drone. Although camera resolution on this device is comparatively lower than some competitive models, it can still produce crisp and HD still shots. Specifications: camera resolution, 21MP video resolution, 4K/30 fps weight, 310G flight time, 25 minutes flight range, 4 km. Number 9. DJI Inspire 2. If you want a drone device to swap cameras and fit your choice of cameras, then this might be a right fit for you. This flexibility of switching lens comes with a price, with expensiveness in swapping portability with the ability to switch lens. This drone is more on a professional side. This drone has 2 directions of obstacle avoidance. The increased intelligence with design: DJI added multiple intelligent flight modes, including Spotlight Pro, giving inexperienced pilots the shorthand to shoot dramatic and dynamic video clips. Specifications: camera resolution, 20MP video resolution, 2K/30 fps weight, 4250G flight time, 27 minutes flight range, 7 km.